Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your try Louma subscription. If you have purchased this product and by mistakenly if they have activated subscription on your account, so how you can cancel it. So basically you know very well, like this is a totally you guys like scammy platform, and when you buy a product by default they will activate a subscription on your account, and you have to make lots of efforts for cancellation. So you can cancel your subscription only by using two ways. Like the first way is like a little bit hard for you, and the second one is like very easy. So the first method is like first of all, when you place your order they will provide you a confirmation email like your order is confirmed. In the email, in the same email they have provided a link. By using the link you can cancel your subscription and you can manage your subscription. If you are not a technical person, if you don't know anything, and if the link is not available in your confirmation email, so what you can do, you can compose an email. The email format you can see, this is the email format. You need to compose the email, and in the email, in the end of the email, you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Okay, and once your email is done, okay, so you need to send the email at their email address, that is like trylouma@gmail.com. And this the same thing is also mentioned on their official website. When you visit on the official website, there is a note at the very top side, manage subscription button. You can select and you can find out the information. They have provided each and every information like how you can cancel your subscription. So you need to send the email at their email address, and once they receive your email, they will cancel your subscription and they will provide you written confirmation. If you don't get any refund written confirmation, it means your subscription is still active and they are going to charge on your account. You need to keep in touch with their customer support for cancellation process. Okay, if these both methods will not work for you, you can contact your credit card provider and you can make a request to cancel your unwanted subscriptions. You need to tell them that you wish to cancel your this subscription, or you can ask how many subscriptions you have activated on your account. So they will tell you and they will cancel your subscription. This is the only option and there is no other option. And thanks for watching this video. If you have any issues, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Bye bye, take care.